This is one of my own little personal projects. I'm into these old historic sports sedans. This is an old A9X hatchback, built back in the late 70s, raced mainly in West Australia, and is going to be loud, it's going to be uncomfortable, it's just going to be everything you don't want in a car. But being a race car, it's just damn cool. Not a lot that's actually Torana still. We've got A pillars, B pillars, C pillars, sill panel, a little bit of the firewall and some of the doors. It's all still original Torana. We've got a 350 Chev mid-mounted, so it's actually right next to my legs. Gearbox is actually back here, so the shifters should be back here. That's how far it is, back into the cabin. So yeah, 350 Chev, Super T10, Salisbury, Harrop floating rear end. It'll make about 600 horsepower and weighs less than a tonne. It's going to be fast.
What right here?
Is it alright with the roll cages in? Yeah, it's low, so